Mohit, are you there?
Yes. Yes, I'm here only. I'm just doing the live video. 1 second.
हाँ या नहीं पहले रिकॉर्डिंग ऑन कर ले मोहित.
That all done. Already started.
Live now?
Oh, it's a...
One minute, let me check. I'm preparing.
Okay. मोहित रिकॉर्डिंग मेरे को अभी भी पॉज दिखाई दे रही है. मुझे मालूम नहीं कि
नहीं मेरे यहाँ तो दिखा रहा है शोज.
ओके.
Just live हो रहा है. 1 second.
Guys, are we live? I think we can start admitting people.
Only 1 second.
We have got 1 more minute left. We'll start at 12.
Yeah, live start कर दिया है. Can you check?
Live start हो गया है.
Okay.
Exact.
Now.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm admitting people.
Yes. Best of luck, guys. Bye.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. Hello all. First of all, I would like to wish all of our Soul members a very Merry Christmas and thanks a lot for joining us on this holiday and spending 30 minutes with Soul. And let me assure you that there are a lot of treats that we have that are awaiting from Soul on this Christmas for all community members.
To the same, Geetak, and everyone, a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, sir. So, this year has been a game changer for all of us in a lot of ways, and it has helped us to just fundamentally reevaluate and rethink how we operate and go about our daily lives. And Soul is no different from all this. And even Soul had to reinvent during this time of lockdown that was there and the pandemic that took us to home. But we all know that the explorer spirit that is there that cannot be caged anywhere, and to bring or to rekindle those to rekindle with those explorer spirit, we launched a new platform called as Connect with Soul sometime back in August, just to rekindle with that spirit of adventure that we all yearn and miss. Under this, we had 3 great webisodes. First, in the first session, we remembered our iconic drives, which we had done in last years, just to see how it was to feel outdoors from the safety of our homes. In the second one, we went to the jungles of Bandhavgarh to experience the majestic life of a tiger and ruler's life, to show or to see how this magnificent beast goes throughout his life. The last one was all about mastering the art of photography, which was again a session that helped us understand how do we master the overall photography so that we can capture those moments on our next soul drives. So today is a very exciting day, and I'm really excited to bring or to add another leg to the entire program, and to with just one single aim to bring in that connect, to retain that connect, and bring in more vibrancy from our soul community, which is spreading throughout the nation from north to south, east to west. So for that, we are now initiating a new chapter in the entire soul platform to bring that connection to another level with these regional chapters that we like to call. Just the aim is that the connect with the brotherhood remains there, and we spend one day with soul. So one day with soul is something that we can really start going out now when we see people are moving out, and that spirit needs to get out. And with these groups and these chapters, we are aiming to do exciting contests and gamification, and there are a lot of surprises that we'll be sharing today with you. And last but not the least, you'll never miss any update from the community of explorers, the brotherhood. You'll be always in touch with what is happening in, say, Hyderabad or in Delhi or in Mumbai. So today, the Adventure for Soul is now on WhatsApp. All these communities are live across 10 cities that we are there. And and the response that we are getting is phenomenal. The types of conversations that are happening, the stories that are being shared seriously shows the brotherhood and the overall connect that this community has over the years. One day with soul was something that I was talking about earlier. So this is an anecdote that happened with our Bangalore chapter led by our very enthusiastic members there. I hope they'll be there on the call. And this chapter went on a one-day drive to Vatsohali Lake on 22nd November, just to spend those serene moments in the lap of nature in a good evening, good lunch or brunch there. And they really enjoyed. And we know that drives are, while we were very cautious of making the decision to pull back from our drives earlier, but this time we ensured there is enough sanitization, and some snippets from the Happy Soul members that went there, Soul Bangalore chapter that embarked on this journey on 22nd November. The entire majestic convoy of our SUVs that we love, the might of TML SUVs that is there, surely gave everyone like a great time and goosebumps when they were traveling throughout the drive. So this initiative that we have, we wanted to bring on board our soulmates, our key members throughout the places, throughout the length and breadth of the nation. And we knew that if we are going regional and we are going supporting locally, we needed the back and we needed the support and guidance of our influencers, or these are our key soul members who have always supported us, always been with us, and have helped us make the program where it is today. So with this, I would like to invite my partner and my great teammate, Aril, to help us understand who are these influencers and just to give a snippet of the influencers that are going to lead this regional chapters.
Aril, you are on mute.
Thank you, Geeta. Thank you very much. You have rightly mentioned that we require our influencers to help us in making this entire community grow and make it exciting. So from here onwards, I'm going to introduce all the influencers city-wise. So we have from Delhi, we have got Mr. Man Singh and Pratinder. So they will be the influencer for Delhi chapter. For Mumbai, we have Mayuresh Sawant, Mr. Chandrasekhar Joshi, Jagdish Peswani, Vikram Narula, and Vikrant. From Cochin, we have Mr. Jacob George. From Jaipur, we have Mr. Pushpinder Sharma, Mr. Jagat Singh Rathore. From Chennai, we have got Vikram Joshi ji. We have got Anand James Paul, Murli S. From Pune, we have Mr. Ashok Sharma. From Bangalore, we have Mr. Rajiv Gupta. From Ahmedabad, we have Mr. Amit Ravel, Mr. Nilesh, Mr. Sahil Malik. From Kolkata, we have Ma'am Pratida Sarkar, Mr. Seth, and Mr. Prashant Shrivastava. So these are the influencers for the chapter now. And we will take their help and guidance to make this entire journey more exciting and entertaining. Over to you, Geeta.
Darrell, are we not going to make it more exciting for our members? I
Oh,
think
why
we
not?
had
Why
some
not?
surprises awaiting in this Christmas, no? We need to fill
Oh,
those treats now.
you are absolutely right. And the good thing is, Geeta, all these ideas which I'm going to showcase in the next slide has been shared by a few of our influencers only, or with from our members. So can you take me to the next slide to make this entire group more exciting,
Just can't wait for that.
please? Yeah. Great. Thank you very much, Geeta. I was waiting for this slide to come in. Yeah. So we are for the first quarter, which is January, February, and March. We are looking at four things. One is one-day drive. The experiment has already been done by Bangalore team. Congratulations. And we got a phenomenal response. And I'm 100% sure people who have attended that, they will agree with me. Now, to make it more exciting and challenging, from now onwards, we are going to check the number of kilometers of these one-day drives, which is again going to be one parameter. We would like to see a lot of stories coming from each of the groups, their experiences, their entire, stories of their drives and all. And lastly, we are looking at a lot of initiatives coming from the group. Now, I'll leave the canvas open for all the influencers and members to how you make this entire thing more exciting. And we as a team, we are always there. Geetak, me, and the entire team, we are always there. But to make it more exciting and engaging, we would request all the members and influencers to make it to contribute their ideas in Soul initiatives. Thank you very much, Geetak. Over to you.
Yeah, Ril, and I just see that on the groups, and Bangalore has, I think, again planned another event that is happening in the new year. And I
Oh,
think something of similar sort is also happening in Delhi.
oh,
A weekend drive that is going to be there. So it
that's
is
exciting.
great to see this, and we are really excited to just gamify this entire thing to see which groups take the lead. And trust me, there are a lot of good goodies and good experiences planned for the winning group that
Oh,
we'll be announcing shortly once we end this league.
great, great, great.
So, yeah.
Geetak, are we for a Christmas? I'm sure you are the center of this entire webinar. Is there anything which you got for all the team members, Soul team members?
Well, yeah, I may be Santa, but I think I'm a very young Santa here. So I assure you there is another news and another great event that is there that we just want to unveil I remember that we had promised that we will be going back soon, we'll be driving back soon, and we were in touch with our people and listening to people they wanted to get out. So our first iconic expedition for 2021 is planned, and that is going to be a bit different. This time we are going to Jaisalmer from 23rd to 29th, and it will be a bit different because this time on Republic Day we'll be saluting our Jawans, showing the might of Tata customers, Tata Soul members, SUVs standing by our Jawans. And there are live treasure hunts that are planned. I'm right, Aril? In
Yes, you are.
Jaisalmer,
You are
some great,
absolutely right. You are absolutely right.
some
Yeah.
great treasure hunts for the group in which they'll explore the city in a way they have never explored before. And most of all, and something which is of paramount importance to us, it will be in conjunction with the protocols that are laid by the government. And it will be keeping into account all the safety measures. We are going to take this drive, the first drive in 2021, to the next level. And I'm sure the registrations are open. You can visit our Soul site for more information. And we are really excited to see you after a gap of really long years.
Very true. And so a Jaipur team and Delhi team. So Mr. Pushpinder ji and Jagat Singh Rathore ji, we are coming to your city now. And and Delhi team, be ready. We need to make a good noise about this entire thing. And we all are looking forward for a great and an exciting, drive of the, of 2021. Thank you very much.
So let's start the year with a bang. And registrations are open, and you'll hear back from us soon. And stay tuned to our social media channels for further updates, because there are exciting news that are coming your way. Yeah. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks you for joining.
Thank you
It was a
very
very
much.
crisp session for us. And these are the initiatives. All the information will be rolled out after this webinar. Thank you for taking out your time.
Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Have a great weekend. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Bye-bye. Bye.